Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Introductions. What's your name? My name is. I'm. This is. Have you met John? Nice to see you again. Good to see you. Where are you from? I'm from. What do you do? I work as a manager. Everyday conversation. How's it going? What's up? Can I help you? No problem. It's okay. Could you repeat that, please? How much does this cost? See you later. Goodbye. Bye. Thanking. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. I'm grateful for your help. Thanks a million. I can't thank you enough. I appreciate your time. Thanks for everything. I owe you one. Apologizing. I'm sorry. I apologize. Please forgive me. My apologies. I'm so sorry for that. I didn't mean to upset you. I regret what happened. I'm sorry for any inconvenience caused. I owe you an apology. I apologize for my mistake. Requests. Could you take a message, please? Would you carry this for me, please? Can you take a message, please? Will you carry this for me, please? Can I help you? Can I do that for you? Would you like me to help you with that? I can do that for you if you like. Would you like to come round tomorrow? You must come round and see us. Offering. Will you? Here you are. Would you like this? Would you like me to give you this? Have some. May I? Shall I? Can I get that? Do you want? Take one. Directions. Go straight ahead. Turn left, right. At the corner. Next to. Across from. In front of. Behind. Take the first, second, third, left, right. Go past. On your left, right. Go through. Shopping. Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? Where can I find? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I pay with a credit card? Is this on sale? Do you offer refunds? What time do you close and open? Can you gift wrap this, please? How much does this cost? Farewells. Goodbye. See you later. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you one day. Until next time. Farewell. See you soon. All the best. I hope you have a nice dream.